Hello everyone, so welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can get free $100 worth credit from Vultr. So you can use this credit to try any of their service. You can use it for VPS, dedicated server, or anything you want. So I would recommend you to try their high frequency VPS, which I also use for my website. You can see here, and I have been using them for a few months now, and their service is really great. So let's see how you can get the free $100 credit. Now click on sign up here. To create your Vultr account, all you need is an email address and password. So just enter that and click on create account. Now you will see here that you are almost ready to deploy servers. Please link a payment method to get started, and on the right side in summary you will also see the free credit you will get. So just fill your details and click on this tick, I just want to link my credit card, and then accept the terms and conditions, and then click on link credit card. Okay, so that's it, it's done. Now let's verify our email address. So just check your email inbox and click on the verify email button, and that's it. Your Vultr account has been created. Your payment is also linked. Now you can use your free credit to try any of the Vultr VPS service. So I would recommend you to try the high frequency. They have so many locations available. If you want the cheapest server, select the location US, and then cloud compute option. You will get VPS servers starting from just $2.5. So I will also create a full tutorial video about this. If you want that video to learn how to create a WordPress website using Vultr VPS, post in the comments or check the link